Hey team, I am Dharmik and thank you for the opportunity to work on this assignment. So before I show you the dashboard, I want to explain you that what I have understood from this assignment. So we have given the ticket IDs. So let's say some customer has any queries related to the platform or anything, so he can raise the ticket. So every ticket gets unique ID. Then we have customer IDs as well, which is unique for every customer. And in this CSV we have region and channel, like from which region, north, east, west, south, central, and the channel, like from which medium the query has come, email, chat, phone, etc., and the category. Then I am assuming that agents are providing the priorities to the ticket, like if it is a low priority, medium, critical, high, by seeing the, I would say, like query, I would say the inquiry that is coming in that ticket. So in this CSV we have created date also and resolved date also, like when the ticket has been created, and resolved date which is given by the agent that ticket has been closed, right? So the first response time by the agent, resolve time of the query, then score given by the customer, and status results like closed, resolved, open or reopen, and the bridge is SLA bridge. So first I will walk you through the architecture. Like this is the dashboard folder where the React app is there, and then we have VNV folder, and main logic is in this analysis.sql file, where I have written all the SQL queries for the 5 questions which are required to complete this assignment. Then I have used DuckDB to clean and aggregate the data via SQL. So here is the DuckDB I have used, and one Python script which is there to run those query and outputs a lightweight JSON file. So whenever I run this query, the SQL queries will be fired, and in the public folder of this dashboard we will get this matrix.json, so that in the front end we don't have to build our logic, and we don't have to pass thousands of rows in the browser, and it will take lots of time and it will not be scalable. So we will do it in the backend, and we can use the Docker for React, and instead of DuckDB we can use the Postgres database as well, but it was a light SQL database, so I have used it for now. And in the React dashboard it will simply consumes the static JSON, and this separation of concern keeps the front end like clean and fast, and the business logic will be editable easily in the SQL file. So let's go to the dashboard. What I have found that total 5000 tickets are there, and 74, nearly 75% SLA bridged are there, corrected from 65.2% after excluding the 647 open tickets are there. So first of all it was 65, but after excluding this open tickets we got nearly 75%. And I have found it that agent 7 was the worst and agent 1 was the best. So let's walk you through this SQL file. So first I have removed that ticket ID because every ticket ID is unique, and I have found that 15 tickets nearly has same ticket ID. So duplicate tickets ID I have removed by this, and created temp u, given the deputed ticket name, and distinct on used, so that duplicate tickets will be removed. Then for specifically SLA bridged, I have used this query create temp u known as SLA eligible tickets, given this name, and where status is closed and resolved, and SLA bridged is yes. So I have taken that. So I have excluded open tickets whose SLA flag is always no regardless of actual breach status. So the first question was SLA breach rate. So let's go to that. Which category or region has worst SLA breach rate and what's actually driving it? So I have found that it was not the any region or category, but I have found that agent 7 has unbelievable of 100% SLA breach rate, 284 breach out of 284 resolved tickets. For context, every other agent maintains a breach rate between 69 to 76%, but agent 7 has like resolution time 700% longer. So I can tell you that in I have used median for it, because if we use the average then it will not be proper, because some tickets has large resolution time and all. Like it will be, I will cover that in the next queries. So like it will be not proper, because some queries have lots of resolution time, higher bigger resolution time according to their priorities. So by keeping them in medium would be good. So agent 7 was resolving the critical tickets in the 48 hours and other agents are doing it in 5.5 hours. Similarly, agent 7 was taking 171 hours and others are taking 18.3, which is like very low, and agent 7 is taking too longer, and for lot tickets agent 7 is taking 841 hours. So that's what I have found in the first question. The count access category has the worst overall SLA rate, 77%. When the examining, the west region leads with a breach rate of 76.1. Okay, so in the first query, so overall I have counted where SLA breach is yes as a total breach, then counting total tickets, then breach yes into 100 by total tickets, so that we will get the overall percentage. Then I have founded the SLA breach rate by agent and SLA breach rate by category and region across. And here I have given by group, like group by used, so from in decreasing order. So worst to high we will get. Similarly here also I have make it in decreasing and limited up to 10. So like without wasting more time, let's go to the second question, because I have to keep the video like in the less time, like 5-6 minutes. Is there a relationship between priority and resolution time which agent deviates? So I have found that critically 5.5 hours, 18 hours, medium, like I have already explained this, like agent 7 is taking lots of more hours. So these are the query, like select priority percentile from within the group from this table, and I have used try cast so that null queries, null strings will be automatically handled. Then compared priority with agent 7. So these all are medians for other agents and this is for agent 7 specifically. Which customer shows frequent reopen tickets for a low CSAT score? Agent driven, category driven, or something else? So I have found that customer 57, 58 and 133 has lots of reopening tickets, and for the score which are given 2 or lower, the customers are 130, 61 and 47. So here this query I have used like customer ID finded which has reopened, then total tickets, and then done the math like reopened into 100 by total, so we get the percentage from this table group by customer ID. So top 10 we will get in the decreasing order, and if we take just like one reopen ticket, two reopen ticket, so it will not be give us the proper count, because sometimes it will be genuine feedback from the user. But if that user are doing multiple times, so I have kept it 3 or more times, then we will take the action for it, right? So similar type of query I used for scores as well, like I think used there 5 or something, yes, for score 5, like 5 times any customer has given the score. What data quality issues did you find and how did you handle that? So data quality issues, I have found this, that 15 duplicate tickets, negative resolution time was also there in 88 tickets, which I have excluded, and open ticket excluded from SLA is 647 filtered, and missing this score is nearly 20%. So these are the findings I have found out. So status SLA breached count by this, and where status is open, etc. So if you could track exactly one matrix weekly to catch support problems earlier, what would it be and why? So by agent ID and priority, I would like do it, like I would track the median resolution time by priority by agent. So we have to know that which agent is causing the issue, so mostly I will focus on that by finding that agent, and TriCast will automatically handle, as I have said, and group by agent ID and priority. So thank you so much for giving this opportunity, and this is the dashboard I have built it. SLA breach rate, every agent covers this, etc. So thank you so much.